Hi dears, this is Marutira. Welcome to Shikshanave Shakti Spardha Creative Coaching Center, Shumagga. Today's topic is fundamental operations of mathematics. As we know that one, the fundamental operations which are we are going to call that one. Here see the fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are all operations we call fundamental operations. Okay, then why do we call these all fundamental operations? Because these operations are basic needs of mathematics. These are basic needs of mathematics, so we call these all fundamental operations. If we wanted to solve any problems, we are using these basic operations. So these operations we call fundamental operations. Of them, first one is addition. I said you all the fundamental operations. The first one is addition. As we know that one, then what do you mean by addition? We have to know that one. What do you mean by addition? Addition means to join together. Addition means what? To join together is called addition. The symbol of addition is what? Plus. We know that one. The symbol of addition is plus. Okay, students. Now let's see some properties of addition. So we wanted to, if you wanted to learn anything, we wanted to learn from it base. So I am telling to you all from the addition. So we know that one. We already learnt what addition means, to join together. Okay, then the symbol of addition is plus. Okay, now let's see some properties of additions. Here see, any number added by 0, for example, any number added by 0, the sums will comes what? Same number or a number itself. Here 2 plus 0 is equal to how much? 2. Here what I am telling here, any number added by 0, the sums will comes what? Same number or a number itself. Okay, this is the first property of addition. Next let's see another property of addition. Any number, take that one, any number added by 1, the sums will comes the next number of the given number. The next number of the given number. Here see 4 plus 1. The next number of 4 is what? The next number is 4. The 4 is 5, right? 5. This is the second property. If you wanted to learn anything in the mathematics, we have to learn through the properties. When we know very well the properties of the operations, then we can easily solve the problems. That we have to keep in our mind. This is so these are all we call what? Basic needs of operation mathematics. Okay, so next let's go for subtraction. Second concept is what? Subtraction. As we know that one, the symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? Yes, you are right, minus. Before going to this, let's learn what you mean by subtraction. That we have to understand that. What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. To take away. If for example, I have 4 fingers here, right? Of them, I took 2 from it. I took out 2 from it. Here left how much? 2 left, right? That means the subtraction means to take away. Okay. Next, the symbol of subtraction is what? Minus. Here, this after, let's learn some properties of subtractions. Here see, the first property of subtraction is telling us what? In the subtraction, any number, take that any number, for example 6, subtracted from same number or a number itself. Any number subtracted from same number, the difference will comes. The difference will comes what? 0. 0. The difference will comes what? 0. Any number subtracted from same number, the difference will comes what? 0. This is the first property. Okay, this one we have to keep in our mind. See here, any number subtracted from from same number, the difference will comes 0. Here for answer to I am telling difference, that we have to understand that one. When we find the subtraction, in the answer in the subtraction is called what? Difference. It's okay. Then the answer in the addition is called what? The answer in the addition is called what? Sums. Okay, that also we have to keep in our mind. Next, second property, any number subtracted from 0, the any number subtracted from 0, we get the difference or number itself or same number. Here see, 7 minus 0 is equal to how much? 7 itself, same number it will come. It doesn't get any changes there. Okay, any number subtracted from 0, the difference will comes what? Same number or a number itself. Okay, now let's see the third property of the subtraction. Any number subtracted from 1, any number subtracted from 1, we get the difference, the given number of before the given number. Okay, here the given number is how much? 8. What is the just before number of 8? 7, right? 7. So here 8 minus 1 is equal to how much? 7. Any number subtracted from 1, the difference will comes the just before number of the given number. This is the property of subtraction. Now let's see the third operations, that is multiplication. We know that one. So multiplication. Here you know that one, usually we will say that one, multiplication is nothing but tables, right? Multiplication is nothing but tables. The symbol of multiplication is what? Into. This is the symbol of multiplication is what? Into. Okay, next, here we understood the answer in the addition is called sums, the answer in the subtraction is called difference. Now let's see that the answer in the multiplication is called what? Yes, you are right, product. What we call it? Product. These all we have to understand that one. The answer in the multiplication is called product. Okay, so here also some properties are there. Let's we understand that one. See, first property of multiplication is telling us what? Here, any number, for example, any number 5 is multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the product will comes what? 0. Any number multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, the product will comes what? 0. This is very, very important. So if we know very well these properties, while we are solving the problems, easily we can solve that one. So I am teaching you all with basic properties. Okay, next, second property is telling us what in multiplication. Any number, for example 7, any number multiplied by 1, any number multiplied by 1, the product will comes what? A same number or a number itself. Same number it comes. Here see, same number or a number itself. 7 ones are 7, we know that one tables, you know that one always. While we are saying that one, while we are making the multiplication, we are using the tables, right? Here some properties of multiplications are, first property telling us what? Any number multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, the product will comes 0. And second property telling us what? Any number multiplied by 1 or 1 multiplied by any number, the product will comes same number or a number itself. So 7 ones are 7. Okay, next let's we go for third one is multiplication. Next, fourth operation is division. Here first let's we learn what you mean by division. Division means the equal distribution. Division means what? Equal distribution. For example, I have 10 chocolates. Here 5 students are sitting in front of me. Just assume it, 5 students are sitting here. For them to I wanted to distribute what I am having here 10 chocolates. So if you wanted to distribute for 5 students, I have to distribute for each how many chocolates? 2 chocolates. Okay, so what I did now, I distributed equally among the 5 students. Understood? So we can understand division means the equal distribution. Okay, the symbol of division is, we know that one, this is the symbol of addition. Sorry, this is the symbol of division. Okay, here also in the division some properties are there. Let's we learn. The first property telling us what? Any number divided by same number. For example, see here 3 divided by 3. Any number divided by same number, the quotient will comes. The quotient will comes what? 1. Here see, answer in the division is called what? Quotient. Answer in the division is called what? Quotient. See here 3 divided by 3. That means here any number divided by same number, the quotient will comes what? 1. See, this is the first property. Now let's see the point, that is a decimals. So now let's see the concept of decimals. Then what do you mean by decimals? Decimals are numbers less than the whole numbers. That we have to understand here. Less than the whole numbers. Here then which are the whole numbers? We know that one whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. These are all we call it what? Whole numbers. That here we are learning the concept decimals. Decimals means the lesser than the whole numbers. That means less than the 0. Here see, starting number, what is there? 0 is there. The less than the 0 is what the number will comes. That numbers to be called what? Decimals. These decimals numbers are, we are using a dot to represent the decimals. If you wanted to represent the decimals of any numbers, we are using what? Dot. Here see, this is called a dot. This dot has no length, no width. Okay, this point, what we are using, this point or this dot, this is called a decimal point or decimals. Okay, here we have to understand this point to we call what? Decimals. Decimal. And what are the decimal numbers? Decimal numbers are lesser than the whole numbers. Understood? This basic concept, let's understand. The point is, this point to we call what? Decimal point. This decimal point doesn't have any width or any length. Here see, let's understand the concept. Here I have taken this one example. Let's take one example. For example, here if I wanted to write the number, 1, here it is there. This is a one whole number, right? 1, 1, 1 is there. This is a one whole number. See, if we wanted to write these one, according to their place we have to write it. Isn't it? Here see, this is in the unit place, right? And this is in the tens place, and this one is in the hundred place, right? Here see, from left to right we have to count the place. This is in the ones place, 1. So that we have written ones place or unit place. Here see, in this box we have written, and here see what we have written. This is a 100 place. This is a tens place, this is a unit place. Here I have taken decimal point. That means decimals is a point or a dot. So this is in the 10th place. Here I have written 100th place, and this one I have written 1000th place. Okay. First, in this whole number I am writing in the box. Here see, in the unit place what is there? 1 is there. So I have written 1. The place value of 1 is how much? 1 itself, right? So I have written in the unit place 1. That's over. In tens place what number is there? 1 is there. The place value of 1 is how much? 1 into 10. That is equal to 1 tens are 10. So in the tens place, how much is there? 10 is there. So I have written here 10. Okay. Next, this one, this is in the which place? 100 place, right? Unit, tens, 100 place. What is the place value of this one? 1 into 100. That means the place value of 1 is how much? 100. That I have written here. Okay. Did you understand this concept? Okay. This is the whole number concept we learnt. So here according to their place we have written here. Then I said you all, decimal means this decimal we are denoting through a dot. See here, dot, isn't it? So this is a decimal point. So here point, let's we take a point. Okay. That after again let's we take here some numbers. Okay, like this I have taken some numbers I have taken after the decimals. Okay, first one is, this is in the which place? This is in the 10th place. Which place? 10th place. So here see, decimal point after what comes the first number, this is in the 10th place, 10th place, and second one is in the 100th place, 100th place, and third one is in the 1000th place. Third one is in the 1000th place. This place we have to understand. Here see, decimal before what comes? We started with unit place, tens place, 100 place. After the decimals, how do we have to read this? This is in the tens place, and this one is in the 100th place, and third one is in the 1000th place. Okay, see here, decimal point we have written, decimal point we have written. Next, first number 1 is in the which place? That is in the 10th place. That how do we want to write it? 1 by 10. This one we have to write it as 1 by 10, because 1 is in the 10th place, so that we have written here 1 by 10. Next, second one, this one is in the 100th place. This is in the 100th place. So that one, how do we have to write this one? 1 by 100th. 1 by 100th we have written. Next, third one, this digit 1, what is there? This is in the 1000th place. So that is in the 1000th place. So this one we written as 1 by 1000th. This is in the 1000th place, this one. So here we have written it as 1 by 1000th. What comes the place value of these numbers? Let's we see here. Unit place 1 is there. 1 ones are 1. So unit place it doesn't get any changes. The place value of 1 is 1 always. Okay. 10 here 1 is in the 10th place, isn't it? So here also doesn't change. Here already we have written it, already we changed it into in the place value. So 10 is there. 10, let's we write it as it is. And in 100th place, that also we have written it already, we have written in the place value. So 100 is there, 100. Okay, now here point is there. Let's we write the point. Now see, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 is there. This one we can read it more than 2 types. How? 1 by 10 or 1 upon 10 or 1 divided by 10. Like this we can read this one. Here see, 1 by 10. What is the value of 1 by 10? That we wanted to find. If you wanted to find the value of 1 by 10, how do we have to write? See here, 1 is divided by how much? 10. We know that one. 1 is divided by 10. Okay. So here 1 we can't divide. So we have to take one decimal point and take 1 0. Again 10 ones are 10. Right? 10 ones are 10. Here reminder 0 0. Here what we got? What we got? 0.0. 0.1. That means 0.1. 0.1. What is the value of 1 by 10th? The value of 1 by 10th is 0.1. Okay, here this one we can write it in the short form also. How is that? Here it is just, see, just if we see this question, directly we can write the answer. 1 by 10th is there. Here 1 0 is there, right? So 1 0 is there means that number before the point will comes one number before. That we have to keep in our mind. Here see 1 0 is there, so one number before it comes what? 0. Point will come, so 0.1. Okay, did you understand this concept? Okay, right, see the place value of 1 by 10 is how much? 0.1. Next let's go for 1 by 100. I said you all, if we see this directly we can write the answer. How is that? Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, right? So 2 zeros are there means in the numerator 1 is there, right? So one number, that now 2 number before we wanted to write the decimal point, right? Here 2 zeros are there, so here only one digit is there. Again let's take 1 0, okay, point, here nothing is there means 0. So the value of 1 by 100 is how much? 0.01. Otherwise we can divide like this using a division method. Also we can find, let's find and see that one. So here 1 divided by 100, right? Here let's divide it. Take a 1 point and take 1 0. Here also not divisible by 100. Then again take 1 0 and here also use 1 0. Again 100 ones are 100, right? So remainder 0 0 0. So we got how much? 0.01. Okay, now let's see third one, 1 by 1000. Let's write the directly answer. Okay, here say 3 zeros are there, so the decimal point should come 3 numbers before. Okay, decimal points should come 3 numbers before. Here only 1 is there, right? Let's write 1 digit over. Next let's take 1 0, 2 digit over. Next let's take 1 0, 3 digits over. Now point, here nothing is there means 0, 0.001. The value of 1 by 1000 is how much? 0.001. If you wanted to write this in the power, how do we have to write? Here see 1 is there, that we can use it, we can write using the power. So 1 is there means 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power, what is the a to the power of 0 is equal to how much? 1. As we know that one. As it is 10 to the power of 0 is equal to how much? 1. Okay, next this value if you wanted to write, how do we have to write? 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1, that means 10 ones are 10 itself. Next 100, how do we have to write it? Yes, 10 to the power 2, right? So that means, what you mean by 10 to the power of 2? That means we have to multiply 10 2 times, 10 into 10, that is equal to 10 tens are 100. We know that we got the same answer. If you wanted to write in the short form, here see power, while we are writing here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, so 2, write down power 2. Here only 1 0 is there, so write down power 1. Okay, can we write like this? Yes, easily we can write it. Okay, now decimal point after, if you wanted to write the power, how do we have to write? Here point number, decimal numbers if they have comes here, how do we have to write? 1 by 10 is there or 0.1 is there, that we have to write it 10 to the power of -1. Why? Here 10 is there in the denominator. 10 is there in the denominator. So if you wanted to write it into the power, then the positive number will changes into negative number. So 10 to the power -1. Okay, next let's come here. 1 divided by 100 is there, 1 upon 100 is there. So 10 to the power of, here what comes? 10 to the power of -2 comes, isn't it? Here 10 to the power -2. Because here 2 zeros are there, then only here I have given hint for you all. If it is there 2 zeros, power also we have to write 2. If it is there 1 0, power we have to write 1. If it is there 3 zeros, then power we have to write it 3. Okay, here see this one we have to write it as 10 to the power -2. Now you only think and tell me what comes answer here. Yes, you are guessing right answer. Here 3 zeros are there. Yes, we know that 10 to the power, 10 to the power. Here 3 zeros are there. That is in the denominator. Now we are these all rising to power. Isn't it? 3 zeros are there. So we are writing it in 3 power and symbol what comes? Negative symbol. So minus 3. So 10 to the power of minus 3. So like this, if you wanted to write these all in the table, that is the decimal points, it's very important for us while we are writing, while we are reading, we have to write this number as it is. Here see one thing, that one you have to keep in your mind while we are reading the decimal number, these whole numbers we have to read togetherly. That means 111 togetherly we are reading, but after the decimal numbers we have to read the number separately. We have to read the number separately. How is that? 111.111. Like this we have to read the numbers. This is the concept of decimals. Now let's see the problems based on addition and subtraction. Here, before writing the question, that according to their place we have to write it. That's very important in this concept. Here the decimal addition, decimal subtraction, decimal multiplication, decimal division is very easy for us. So, but while we are writing the numbers according to their place, we must write in the proper. That is very important. Here see, let's we write the given number according to their place. How is that? Let's we see. Here see, first number is there. How much? First question is there. 6321 plus 782 plus 10 plus 110 is there, right? So first let's we write the numbers according to their place. Now let's we write this one. Here what they have given? 6,321. So that we have written first number. Okay, this over. Next, plus is there. Write down plus. How much? 782. 782 is there. Here 1000 place number is not there. That we have to understand. So first we have to write the numbers according to their place. Okay, here in ones place 2 is there. Write down this ones place under 2. Tens place 8 is there, right? Tens place under 8. Okay, next 100 place 7th is there, so in the 100 place write 7. Okay, that's all. This second number over. Next let's we write the third number. This is a ones place, we know that one. Here 10 is there, so in the ones place what number is there? 0 is there. Let's we write the 0. In the tens place what number is there? 1 is there. Let's we write in the 10th place. This are also over. Next plus. Next plus. Here see 110 is there. In the ones place under let's we write the 0 is there. In the ones place let's we write 0 in the ones place. Next 10 ones place over. Tens place 1 is there. Let's we write 1 in the 10th place. And in the 100 place 1 is there. Let's we write in the 100 place 1. Okay, here not there anything in the 100 place. We can write it as 0. Okay, let's we write, or we do, if we don't write that one, it is not a problem for us, because we don't get confusion if we written 0. So that's why I am writing here 0. 100 place here nothing is there, so 0 I have written. In the 1000 place here not there anything, so I have written here 0. Here also not there anything in the 1000 place, so 0. Here also not there anything, so 1000 place I have written 0. Now let's we add it. We know that one. Addition means to join together. Addition means to join together. See, while we are adding, we have to add from the ones place number, right? So here see, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. So let's write here 3. So we know that one properties of addition. Any number added by 0, the sums will comes a number itself. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Okay, now let's become second one. Ones place over. Next tens place. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Here 2 numbers it has comes, right? 2 numbers it has come. So what we have to do? We can't write here 2 digit in the tens place. We have to write only 1 digit, right? So we have to write ones place number 2 right here, and tens place number 1 write it as carry. Okay, let's we write it as carry here. Now, so this over 12 to 2 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 7 is equal to how much? Yes, 11 plus 0 11 plus 1 12 to 2 again carry 1. Let's we write 1 carry here. Now 6 plus 1 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7. So we got answer 7223. So okay, this one I slowly explained this one because of you have to understand this concept. How do we have to write? Now as it is, let's we see the second question. So what they have given in the second question, this is the based on the here subtraction symbol is there, so we have to do subtraction. Let's we write the number. So while we are subtracting the number, we have to keep in our mind that one important concept. What is that? Always while we are subtracting the numbers, the greatest number we have to write the first compared to other number, which is the greater number, that number we have to write the first. It's very important. Here see 9632, sometimes they will give from. So from, if they are given, many of the students getting confusion. We don't want to get confusion here. If you wanted to make subtraction, first we have to write the greatest number, next smallest number. Okay, now here in the greatest number what is there? 9632 minus 3451 is there. Greatest number is this one. Let's we write 9632. Next minus is there, minus 3451. According to their place we have written. Okay, now let's we solve this one. 2 minus 1. Subtraction means we know that one, to take away. Here 2 are there, we have to take away 1. So here left 1, right? 2 minus 1, 1. Again 3 is there, 5 is there. Here from 3, 5 we can't make subtraction, right? It's very important. When it will be there, smallest number in the upper case, in the greatest number in the lower case, then what we have to do? We have to take one borrow from beside number. Okay, this is very important. So let's we take one borrow from this number. Here see, here to here left 3 is there, 3 I have written here. From here to here I have taken one borrow, right? Here to here I have taken one borrow. Here left 5. Okay, it over 13 minus 5 is equal to how much? 8. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And here see, next 5 is there. 5 minus 4 is equal to how much? 1. Next 9 minus 3 is equal to how much? 6. So we got the difference between these two number is 6181. 6181. Third question is, here see, decimal number here it has comes. So when it comes to decimal numbers, then how do we want to make it? Subtraction. The symbol is subtraction they have given. We know that one subtraction means to take away. So here see, let's we write the given number first. Here see 0.231. Okay, then only I said you all, while you are writing the numbers according to their place we have to write. That is very important. One who know very well to write the numbers according to their place, easily we can solve the problems. This is very important. Here see 0.231 we have written, 0.231 we have written. Next here what they have given? 0 point. The point, what decimal point always comes under a decimal point. That's very important. 0 point. So 0.02 as it is, let's we write. Okay, here see 0 is in the 10th place, here 2 is in the 10th place, here 2 is in the 100th place, 3 is in the 100th place, here 1 is in the 1000th place. Here 1000 place not there any number, so we don't want to write anything. So if you wanted to write 0, no problem it is. You can write it 0. Now what we have to do? We have to make it subtraction. Okay, see here 1 minus 0, 1, because we know property. Next second one, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to how much? 1. So next 2 minus 0, we know property. Any number subtracted from 0, the difference will comes what? A number itself. So 2 minus 0, 2. Next point is there, point 0 minus 0, let's write 0. So our answer is 0.211. 0.211. Now let's see fourth question. So then only I said you all, according to their place we have to write the numbers. So let's write these numbers according to their place. Here see, first number is 11.1. They have given 11.1. This number over, first one is over. Next plus is there, plus. Second number 11.11 is there, 11.11 is there, right? So how do we have to write this one? Plus 11, whole number 11 is there, let's write 11. Point is there, point 1 is there, so 1 and 1. Let's write it according to their place. We have writing here, observe it neatly. Next this over, plus. Next number is there 11.111 here. Next this one over, next last one, plus 11.11 and 1, right? We have written this one according to their place, that numbers we arranged here. This is the first concept we have to understand. That after let's we do it addition. Let's we do it addition, because the symbol is there plus, we have to make it addition. So let's we do addition. Here see, directly I am going to make it addition. So here 1 is there, so 1, write down 1. Next 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 2. Okay, next 1 plus 1 here there, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Let's we write 3. Next here 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Let's we write here 4. That after here decimal point is there, let's we use this decimal point here. Let's we write the decimal point here. Next just after here in the unit place, this is unit place, right? So here in the unit place 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Let's we write here 4. That after in the 10th place, let's we come to 10th place. Here 1 is there, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 44.4321 is our answer. Okay, now let's we see the fifth questions. Here see, let's we write according to their place. I am going to write this one. Here see, first one is 23.3 they have given. Okay, that I have written this over. Next plus 2.33. Here see, 2 is in the unit place. So unit place number under we have to write 2.33. Like this we have to write this one. Next this over, next plus 0.2333 is there. Now here see, 0 is in the unit place, right here under the unit place 0. Point is there, point 2 3 and 3. So that we have written. Next this after last number is there 0 point. So here let's we write 0 is in the unit place, so 0.0203. So now what we have to do, let's we make it addition. Let's we do this all addition. So if it is not there anything, we can write it 0, but I am not writing here anything 0. Let's we add this one directly. Here see, first 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, next 3 plus 0, we know that one addition property, any number added by 0, the sums will comes what? Same number. So 3 plus 0 3. Next 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. Next 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 0 8. Let's we write here point, decimal point as it is, write down here. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 0 5. Let's we write here 5. Next here left 2 is there, let's we write here 2. So our answer is 25.8836. Let's we see the sixth question. So sixth question is there, addition problem. This one I am giving homework for you all. Solve this question and write the answer in the comment box. All of you take down this one as homework, because this question what we solved in the last question as it is there. So we have to find the So sum and write, drop your answer in the comment box. Now let's see 7th question. Here see 0.220 minus 0.202 is there. So let's we write this one according to the place. See here 0.220. Okay. That after again subtract from this minus 0.202. See here. That we have written according to what they have given number, that according to their place we have written here. Now first what we have to do, here see from right to left we wanted to make subtraction. So here 0 is there, here 2 is there. 0 means nothing. I have nothing, but I wanted to give borrow for him 2. So is it possible to give? No. Then what we have to do? Then we have to take borrow from beside number. Okay. Here see 0 minus 2 we can't make subtraction. Then we have to take one borrow from beside number. Here to here we have taken one borrow. It over how much? 10, and here left how much? 1 left. Okay. Here left 1. So 10 minus 2 is equal to how much? 8. Next here 1 is there, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Next here 2 is there, 2 minus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Next decimal point is there, decimal point write down, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So we got the difference between these two numbers is 0.018. Now let's see the 8th question. Here see 8th question, here mixed, that one mixed problem they have given, that means addition also is there and subtraction also is there. Combinedly we can do it. Here using two methods we can solve these problems. Here one method that I am going to show you all. Here see, here nothing is there means we have to assume it, here it is there symbol of plus. That too we have to understand. It's very important. Here nothing is there, we have to assume it, here it is there plus. First plus number what is there, let's we add it. Here see, this is plus number is there, again here it is there plus number. Okay, these two numbers let's we add first, plus number and plus number. Okay, so let's we add. Here they given what number? 65,004. This number they have given. This number plus number add with here this plus number. So 25,604. Okay, so now let's we add these two numbers. See here what we got answer. Let's we add 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 to 0 carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 90,608 we got. Okay, so these all over. This one and this one is over. Next what we have to do, here see minus number whatever it is there, let's we add it using the symbol minus. Here see, you know that one, while we are adding, if it is there two minus numbers, then we wanted to make it add using a symbol minus. How is that? Let's we see. Minus 75,409, again minus 1,250, right? This is the given number. This is the given number. See, now let's see this one, make it add. Why we are going to make it add? You will get confusion. Here minus is there, but we are going to make it add. Why? Because here minus and minus, two numbers also having here minus. If it is there two minus numbers while we are adding, that what we have to do, using the symbol minus we should make it addition. That is very important. Here see, 9 plus 0, 9. Next 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 to 7. So here we got answer how much? 76,659. Okay, here we got. Finally let's we find our answer very easily. Here what we got answer? 90,608. Here what we got answer? Minus 76,659. Now let's we find the difference between these two numbers. Here see, 8 minus 9 we can't make subtraction. Then what we have to do? We have to take one borrow from beside number. Here also not there anything. Then what we have to do? Here to here we have to take one borrow. Here it over 10. Here it left how much? 5 left here. Okay. Here 10 left. So from 10 to let's we take here one borrow. Here left how much? 9 left. So this over 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to how much? 4. Here 5 minus 6, again we can't make subtraction. We have to take one borrow. Here also not there anything. So then we have to take one borrow from here to here. It over 10. Here left 8. So again from here to let's we take here one borrow. Here left 9. Okay. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to how much? 9. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So 13,949 is our answer. Okay students, now let's see ninth question. The difference between 10,170 and 8,369 is, they have given the concept. So let's find the difference. So we know that one difference means we have to make it subtraction. So here the difference is the answer of the subtraction. We know that one. First let's write the then only I said you all, if you wanted to make subtraction, first what we have to do, we have to write the greatest number. Compared to these two numbers, which is the greatest number? This one. Okay. So let's write that one. 1 0 1 7 0. Let's write it and make it minus. Here see, 10,000 according to their place we have to write. Okay, here see the second number they have given 8,369. 8 is in the thousand place. Okay, 8 is in the thousand place. Under thousand place let's write the number. Here ones, tens, 100, thousand place. So here comes 8, right? Next 3, next 6, next 9. Like this, according to their place we have to write the numbers. Now let's we find the difference between these two numbers. Here see, 0 is there. 0 minus 9 we can't make subtraction. Then what we have to do, we have to take one borrow from beside number. Here it over 10. Here left how much? 6. Okay, here 10 is there. So okay, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to how much? 10 minus 9 is equal to how much? 1. Yes, we got difference 1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to how much? 0. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 3. We can't make subtraction. Again we have to take one borrow from beside number. Here say, here also 0 is there. So we can't take from here to here. We have to take one borrow. Here left how much? 0 left. Here it over 10. Okay, again from this number to this number we have to take borrow. Here to here we have taken one borrow. It over 11. Here it left 9. Now see, 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is equal to how much? 8. Okay, now here left 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to how much? 1. Here 0 is there. So in the beginning of the, if comes there 0, we don't write it. So we got difference 1801. Dear guys, if you understood my videos, please like my video and share my video, and also if you not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channels, and thank you for watching.